Welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this video I'm going to show you 3 notes, or rather 1 chord that you can play only in your right hand, a lazy person's accompaniment or piano composition, just changing up the left hand. So the chord we're going to look at is like an inverted sus chord, specifically a sus2 chord. So if we take F sus2 for example, is this chord here. So this is F major, this is F minor. So it's not a major or a minor chord because you're replacing the third with the second note. So the notes are F, G and C. So if we invert that, so you're going to play those same notes but in a different order. So they're more spread out like this. You can also call it like an open sus2 chord if you like. Kind of keep your right hand there. You're only allowed to play those 3 notes in your right hand. And then when you bring the left hand in, it can create some interesting harmonies. We're going to base everything mostly around diatonic chords of F major. I'm just going to play in fifths in my left hand with octaves. The chords I think I will use are what you call D5, so it's D and A, keeping everything quite open, and then I'm going to play the octave on there as well, just so I have more fingers, more notes under my fingers, so rhythmically I can be more interesting. I think I'll also use the 4th chord, so D would be the 6th chord, B flat 5, so B flat F, B flat is the 4th chord. I'll definitely use this 5th chord, so C and G, and then C. And I'll definitely use the 1st chord, which is F, C, F. So those are the chords I'll definitely use, so I don't know what order yet, I'll just have a play around. So if I just play around, doing some sort of repeated thing in the right hand with the G, C and F. So and just, occasionally changing the direction. So I think that does sound nice. I'm just keeping those chords held down. Let's try something else. So similar chord, maybe in a slightly different order. I may add another one. So there, I added an E flat 5, which is E flat, B flat, E flat. This is the minor 7th from the key of F minor instead of F major. So that's the 7th note. So it makes it sound almost a bit kind of bluesy putting that in there. And it makes a nice leading note as we go back to the root, which is F, the F chord. Running up and down those notes like that. And again, only using those 3 notes. So again, this is lazy playing. And it sounds quite nice. If we try it on, let's try it on a different key. So we'll just do it on the key of C, I guess. So C sus2 is this, so C, D and G. And again, we're gonna open up those notes, open up that chord. So now we have D, G and C. So obviously we're now working from F, a 5th higher. So these are gonna sound like brighter in this key. Sounds probably too low down there. So you'll have to play it here, so it's more brighter sound. I can do a similar thing. I quite liked the minor 7th chord in there. So the minor 7th chord of C would be B flat. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B flat. The left hand can use C5, so C, G, C. Not necessarily in this order. F5, like we had in the other one. G5. Could maybe use the 2 as well, because we do have a D in there, so it could be interesting to go to the 2. D, A, D, Dad. And then... So let's have a play around. Again, just coming up with ideas, starting quite simply in the left hand, deciding what chord progression I like. So there, I went up to the D as well. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Again, it's inspired you to play around with inverted, open, sus2 chords. I feel that when you're restricted, or you restrict yourself in what you can play, it forces you to be more creative in other ways. So I hope you are well, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye. That's the end of this video. If you have a request, please leave them in the comment section of this video. Also remember to like and subscribe. I've left some videos here you might like, so go and check those out. I also have a course, so if you would like to learn how to read music from scratch, go visit Bitesize Piano Course.co.uk. You can enroll and start learning. I'll see you in the next video.